Hello. Am I audible? Yes, chalo. Chalo, sir. So, again, everyone, very, very good evening and welcome to Oliveboard. CGL exams are going on, so I have come with the last minute revision plan for arithmetic today. Okay, so I'll take two sessions this week. So, first, today is this, another session I'll take on advancements. Similar session. So, again, I have taken 25 selected questions. Okay, very selected, exactly like the questions that we are expecting that you can get in the upcoming shifts of the examination of this year's CGL, right? So I have come up with those type of questions only. So there are proper analysis, proper research behind that, and this is the end result that you are going to get. Very simple questions. Now we'll not do very difficult questions today. We'll not do very unique questions today. Okay, those things are days of the like things of the past, because we have already covered all those things in those, like in the other classes, in previous classes. So today only what is relevant for the exams. So each and every question. So again, I have like kind of, so what types that they are giving you in the exams, and what you can expect in the further shifts. So again, only we'll be doing those type of questions. Having said that, this is the first question of the day. Again, 30 seconds time. I don't think you will need anything more than 30 seconds. Let's try to solve as many as we can. So first question right in front of you. Please solve, sir. 30 seconds. 30 seconds. Everyone. 30 seconds is the time. Jaldi se solve karo. Everybody. Please solve it. Everyone. Solve it very quickly. Solve it very quickly. Chalo. Anyone? Any answers? Any answers? Nothing as of now. Nothing as of now. So first question: the price of an article increased by this much and then decreased by this much. The final price is this. What is the original price? Very simple question, sir. So again, so first, let's say the price was 100 units. I should not take rupees because there is this 480 rupees. So I should not take 100 like rupees. So it is increased to 20%. So it is increased to 120. Now on this, there is a decrement of 25%. 25% means, sir, one fourth. That means one fourth of 120 is 30 rupees. So it has now become 90. 120 minus 30. So 90 rupees. Now they are asking the final price is this. So 90 units is 480 rupees. What is the original price? What is 100 value? What is the value of 100? So 90 is 480. So 1 will be 480 by 90. 100 will be into 100. Just calculate, sir. So this is 3 threes are this, 3 16s are this, right? So this is 1600 divided by 3, and it is not divisible. So by 3 will be the answer. So there is only one answer having by 3. So that's my answer. That is definitely my answer. Very simple question. Very simple stuff, right? Now, next question, please. Next question, sir. Second question on profit and loss. Jaldi se, sir. Again, 30 seconds. Tell me the answer. Tell me the answer, everyone. I need the answer. Need the answer from everybody. Need the answer from everyone. Tell me the answer. Jaldi se. Anyone? Answers? Time is up. Any answers? Nothing as of now. Marks is goods 60% above CP. Allows a discount of one fourth. Still makes a profit of this. Find the CP. Chalo, CP is 100. CP is 100 units. Again, I'll not take rupees. Why? Because there is this rupees given, value given. So MP is 160, sir. because 60% markup now allows a 25% discount, meaning the discount is 1/4, meaning 40 rupees. So SP will be, sir, 40 rupees minus, that is 120, sir. Now they are saying profit of 20 units. 20 units is profit, that is equal to 90. CP they are asking. So 1 unit is 90 by 20. CP is 100 units, is this. So this is 5. So 9 5s are 445. So 450 is the answer. Option number 2, sir. Very, very, very simple. Very simple. Panmay is saying my exam was maths question was easy. 3 minute on question that have not. Uh, no, Panmay, that's a mistake, brother. That's a mistake. Again, I told you to like I. That is why I uploaded or I took that session of 20 minutes around, right? कि don't waste your time. वो 3 मिनट में देखो 2 और क्वेश्चन बन सकते थे, right? Those 3 minutes you can like you could make 2 3 more questions. Chalo, next one, sir. Next one. No worries, no worries. Still, you gave your 100%. Na? That's the thing. You gave your 100%. That's the spirit. Okay. And let's wait and watch. Let's see na kya hota hai. Hopefully everything will turn out to be good. Now answer, sir. Answer. Next one, next one, next one, next one. A and B. 15 days, 20 days, time and work. They started after 4 days A left. The remaining was completed by B and C in 6 days. Okay. In how many days? C alone can do it. Sir, chalo, let's see. Sir, efficiency of A and B. Sir, efficiency ratio is opposite to the time of opposite to time ratio. So A ka time you write in place of B, B ka time in place of A. So 5 fours, 5 threes. So this is your efficiency ratio, sir. This is your efficiency ratio, right? This is your efficiency ratio. Now, total work, sir, I'm taking A. A can do 4 units a day and in 15 days. So, total work will be, sir, 15 for the 60 units. That is, this is the total work, 60 units. Now, after 4 days, A left. Read this line as like this. That means for the first 4 days, A and B, both of them work together. And in one day, they are doing 7 units, 4 units by A, 3 units by B. So in 4 days, they will complete 7 fours are 28 units. Total 60, 28 is completed. So 32 units remaining. Remaining work will be, sir, 32 units. Now, who will do this 32 units? These 32 units were done by B and C together. In how many days? In 6 days. So what is their efficiency? What is the efficiency of B and C combined, sir? 32 and by 6. That means that is in 6 days. Calculate kar lo, sir. This is 2. This is, sir, 16. 16 by 3 units a day. Now this is B plus C combined. So C's efficiency, B can do 3 units out of this 16 by 3. So C can do how much, sir? C can do how much? 16 by 3 total minus B's efficiency, that is 3. So that means 7 by 3. Now this is efficiency. Now I know they are asking C alone in how many days. Total work by efficiency. Total work is 60, sir. Efficiency 7 by 3. So it is 180 by 7. You see, which is option number 3. Option number 3 is the correct answer. Option number 3 most definitely is my correct answer. Simple question, sir. Next one, next one, next one, next one. Boat and stream, very, very important. In most of the shifts, they are asking. Chalo, 30 seconds again. 30 seconds again. Jaldi se banao. Do this very, very quickly. Let us do this very quickly. Do this, sir. Do this. Chalo, chalo, chalo. Chalo sir, any answers? Acha, let's see. A boat goes 24 kilometer downstream in 2 hours, returns same distance upstream in 3 hours. Okay. If the boat makes another downstream journey, array sir, just a second, the same problem. Okay. Acha, in 36, another same downstream journey of 36 kilometer, how much less time will it take compared to going upstream in the same direction? सर इसको कैसे करेंगे? इसको कैसे करेंगे सर? देखो, there are multiple ways. There are multiple ways of doing this, right? Conceptually you can do, value putting you can do, equation you can do. The simplest way that I can see, the downstream I'm getting, the speed is distance by time, 12, and upstream is distance by time, that is 8. So just by this I can say, sir, ये तो हमको पता है. So that means 36 kilometer. Now you see an interesting thing. From there we'll go to the concept. So 36 kilometer now downstream. So how much time will it take? So 3 hours, right? And upstream is 8 kilometer per hour, the speed. So down 36 kilometer in upstream, how much time will it take, sir? You will say 36 by 8. But sir, 4 twos are this, 4 nines are this. That means this is 4.5 hours. So how much is the difference? How much less time? Sir, 1.5 hours. Correct? So my answer is 2. But again, what we have learned, or what is the takeaway from this, like from this solution? Please understand, sir. Please understand. Sir, this, you see, D and U is constant for this boat. For this boat, D and U is what's the speed? Speed has not changed. Downstream speed is downstream speed. The upstream speed has remained upstream speed. That has not changed. So if speed has not changed, so if the distance, if the speed remains the same, so how distance and time are distance and time, iska relation kya hoga, sir? Think like this. What will happen to distance and time, not speed and time? Sir, you will say, sir, the more the time, the more the distance. You see, if I go at a speed of 60 kilometer per hour, if I travel for 2 hours, I'll reach 120 kilometers. If I travel for 3 hours, I'll reach 180. Meaning, the more the time, the like more the distance, and they are proportionate only. So, meaning what I'm trying to say, if the distance has become 1.5 times, so the time will also become 1.5 times, or rather, the difference here was 1 hour. This will also become 1.5 times. Directly, you can say it from here, from this concept. Ki, sir, ye directly 1.5 hours ho jayega. You don't need pen and paper for this. If you know this concept, okay. And again, if you didn't know this from this like solution. Moving on, sir. Moving on, sir. To a question of average. To a question of average, sir. Again, 30 seconds. Chalo, let's solve. Let's solve, sir. Let us solve. जल्दी से बताओ. चलो सर. Done. No answers. Time मैं थोड़ा कम ही दे रहा हूँ. Intentionally only I'm giving you a little less time. अच्छा सर, देखो, understand. Sir, 40 students, average weight is 52. Now, a student leaves and another student joins. Meaning we are talking about replacement, sir. We are talking about replacement. Now, replacement, if we are doing, that means number of students will remain 40, right? Because one student is leaving, another student is joining. Now, please understand the average is increasing by 0.5 kg. Why that is happening? Ask yourself why. Meaning the new student, the whose weight is 72 kg, that student is heavier than the student who left. Meaning the student who has left, whose weight I need to find, that student, the weight of that student is less than 72. The weight of the student is less than 72. So first option, ये तो हो नहीं सकता. This is gone, sir. Right? Now the question is how much less? How much less? Let's see. Sir, it is 72 minus. How much less, sir? Sir, please understand it is that much less than 72 that it is causing a change of 0.5 kg to how many students? To all 40 students. So the answer to your question will be the weight of the student who has left is 52 kg, which is option number 2. That's the best way of solving this. Now, again, let me say one thing here. Now, again, if you don't know this concept, this in, out, replacement, 3 concepts I've told you in the classes. You see, in, out, meaning this is one person or multiple persons coming in, one or multiple persons going out of the group, and the other thing is replacement. It can be one, it can be multiple. This is one person replacement. Now, in that case, you can think with this deviation thing. Again, you are saying, sir, itna nahi chahiye, sir, itna samajh mein nahi aata. So in that case, you do this. Sir, total weight of the students was this. Then again, then like new student joins. So it will be, sir, 40 into 52.5 kg now. Why? Because the average is now 0.5 kg more, right? So this is what happened. Now this has happened. Why? Because 72 kg wala banda aa gaya, right? So this is everybody's weight minus 72, and the difference between these two, and this will give you the value of this. करके देखो 52 ही आएगा. Very very simple. Just total से निकाल. But again, I will suggest, please understand, this is easier here because of this value 40. Easy to calculate. If my questions were 37 students and 53.6 kgs, and meaning my questions involved very weird values, then these calculations, this multiplications would have taken a lot of time. So, but this method will work the perfect, like more, like this method will be more so required in those situations. And SSC is known for giving the such values as well. So again, if you don't know, my suggestion is get to know that. Now, next one, sir. Next one, sir. Chalo, chalo, chalo. Again, I need to give you, I guess, thoda zyada time here. 40 seconds. Please do. Please do this, sir. Please do this, everyone. Please do this. Please do this. Anybody? Anyone, sir? Anyone? Chalo, chalo, chalo. Sir, 60 liters milk. From it, 12 liters are removed and replaced with water. The process is repeated twice more, the ratio of milk to water. This is done. Now the find the ratio of milk to water. They are asking, sir. What will be the ratio? So it's very, 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 very simple. कैसे sir? Final milk निकाल लेते sir. Sir, now there are two ways. Again, you can go in the ratio with ratio method, or you can go with the compound form, like compound interest formula. Whichever you prefer. Chalo, let's do it with the formula. Sir, the final milk, it is going to be what? The final milk, it is going to be, initial was 60 liters, 60 into 1 minus 12 out of 60 I'm taking. And total process is repeated, why? Like how many times? Twice more, meaning total 3 times. First time and twice more. Total 3 times, sir. So this is 1/5. So 60 into, this is 4 by 5. 4 by 5 into 4 by 5 into 4 by 5. Why? Because cube. I don't think we can do anything. चलो करते हैं. So this is 216, right? Sorry, 4 cube, 64. 64 into 12, 640. And sir, 128. 867. 768 by 25. चलो ठीक है. This is the final milk. चलो, like we have to calculate a little bit. I guess 23 का या 61 का कुछ आएगा. These two. 7. Yes. Acha. Now, final milk to water. Sir, this is final milk only. The thing that we have found, it is final milk. Sir, what will be water? Now, always remember one thing. I told you this multiple times. Ki whatever happens, sir, one thing that will always be true. In replacement, total quantity is always constant. So we started with a 60-liter volume. So in total, after 3, be it 30 replacements, if we are taking out whatever quantity we are taking out, we are filling in that same quantity. Total volume will always be constant. So 60 liter will remain 60 liter. So out of 60 liters, now this much is final milk. I'm not having this thing, I'm making some mistake. कैलकुलेशन मिस्टेक नहीं किया ना हमने कुछ. 64/12 सही किया ना. चलो ठीक है, लेट्स सी, देखते हैं. अच्छा, so total, that means sir, milk ratio water will be what? Milk we know 768 by 25 into, sir, water will be what? Water will be remaining, so 60 minus this. So that means sir, 25 नीचे, this is 1500. 1500 minus 768. So 750, 750. So this is 750, say 18 less. 750, 18 less. That means 732. So 732 by 25 will go there. So this cancels. This thing is there. So I'm quite certain this is the answer. But again, still एक बार check कर लेते हैं. 4, 4, 4, 4. 4 19s are this. 4 2s are this. 4 18s are 72. 4 3s are this. Sir, 61 3s are this. Sorry, 361 and 364, sir. Yes, we are getting 64 by 61. So the final ratio comes out to be option number 2. A little calculative at the end, but again, good question. Good question. Again, this type have been asked multiple times also this year. Okay. So again, very important question. I hope it is clear to everyone. Hope it is clear, sir. Sir, one question from age related problems. One question from there. Again, 30 seconds time, sir. Again, 30 seconds. Everyone, please do it quickly. Please do it quickly. Do it very quickly, sir. Thirty seconds me you should not take. You guys should not even take 30 seconds. Sir, I told you in these situations, they got the problem. Sir, 3 ratio they have given. कि भाई आपको फंसाना है. They want to like kind of like get you in trouble. So, but find the present age of B, right? Sir, B ka age is 4. So it has to be, my answer has to be a multiple of 4. 18 is not a multiple of 4. 20, yes. 24, yes. 30, no, sir. So my answer is between 2 and 3. Now you'll say, sir, like I cannot have two answers. I have to pinpoint. Don't worry, I have another ratio left. इधर से निकल जाएगा sir. After 6 years, again it has to be a multiple of 5 now. So 6 years add karo. 6 years add karo. This is 26 and this is 30, sir. Now which is a multiple of 5 now? Sir, not this one. Absolutely no. So this cannot be the answer. This is yes. So my answer is option 3. My answer is option number 3. You see, I don't need to do all the things. I do not need to do all these things. ऐसे ही बन जाएगा sir. Perfect. अच्छा, sir, ये बहुत simple है. I'm just giving you this question as homework. Again, there will be many questions. I'll upload the entire like this 25 questions like after, right after this class. ठीक है? आज मैं within 5 minutes you will get access to this. Sir, very similar question have already been asked. So please try and solve this. Acha, timer. 40 seconds I'm giving because it's a principle, like this is a question of compound interest, but the values are very simple. Values are very simple. Values are very, very simple. चलो sir, चलो. Answers. चलो. A sum becomes this much in 2 years at this much. This rate. Compounded half yearly, sir. Now problem is half yearly and 2 years. Meaning a total 4 compoundings. Sir, वही तो गड़बड़ है. And again, I'll say, don't worry, ये उतना भी, this will not give you that much trouble. Because 20% per annum, meaning, sir, every compounding, it will be 10%. 10% means 1/10. So let's use the sum ratio method. So ratio ले लेंगे, sir. P and A. So principal is 10 rupee, 1/10 meaning interest is 1 rupee, sir. So amount will be, sir, 11 rupee. How many compounding, sir? 4. So to the power 4. So that means principal will become 10,000 and this will become, sir. Now, many will say, sir, to the power 4 nahi pata. Cube tak yaad hai. I know how, like till cube, 1331. Now, again, for those who don't know to the power 4, there is a very interesting that you can, interesting thing that you can do for 11. You remember cube at least? Utna to everyone knows. Sir, any number multiplied by 11 is what? Sir, write down the first and the last number. Now, from the right hand side, keep on adding 2 at a time. So, 3 plus 1, 4. 3 plus 3, 6. 3 plus 1, 4. That's your number. And you can remember it is 46.41% for 4 years. ऐसे भी याद रख सकते हो, ठीक है? So, it is 4641, that is 641. Now, sir, they have given you what? They have told you कि भाई देखो, this is the amount. So this value is equal to 19360 rupees. They are asking, what is this value, sir? ये value क्या है? This is how much? This is how much, sir? That's the only question. That is the only question. Now, again, I feel you can answer this very clearly, right? So again, this 1 will be 19360 by 14641 into this thing, sir. Perfect, sir. परफेक्ट एवरीवन। अभी इसको कैसे करना है, कैसे करना है, एक सेकंड में चेक कर लेता हूं जस्ट। 12,000 हो जाएगा ना? जस्ट लेट मी चेक वंस। 12,000 12,000 करना है क्या पूरा? पूरा करवा के ही छोड़ेगा। बट पूरा भी अगेन जस्ट अ सेकंड, वैल्यूज आर नॉट मैचिंग। आई गेस ये भी हो सकता है। 50%, 12,000 will not be 14 and 7. Most probably this is the answer. This is the answer, sir. This is your answer. This is exactly your answer, sir. 13 to 223. The calculation is very bad. The calculation that I am getting is very, very bad. Very, very bad. It is very, very bad. Sir, the reason being, sir, please understand this. The reason being, how I have checked. How I have checked. Please understand this. So it is, please understand, it is almost 50% na, everyone. Almost 50%, yes or no? 46.41, almost 50%. So if my principal is 14,000, so 50% is 7,000. So my amount will become 21,000. Correct? Now it is slightly less, so it will be somewhere between 20,000 and 21,000. Correct? But again, this is 19,000, not even 20,000. So this cannot be. Now if I take 12,000, 12,000, so it is 18,000. Again, it will be less than 18,000 actually. So again, this cannot be. 12,500 also, again, it is also less than 19,000. This cannot be. So it has to be somewhere more than 12,500 and less than 14,000. So only possible answer in the option is this. So that is how I did it. I did not calculate this. ये पूरा हमने calculate नहीं किया because this is, again, I tried everything. So nothing is giving you the exact calculation. This is approximate. This is approximately, I should write 13,223. ऐसा कुछ आएगा sir. Okay. So again, I did not calculate. It is like this thing, like 200, because that will have taken us a long time. But again, how to do these calculations? उसके लिए there is an interpolation technique. In my paid batches, especially in the foundation, for those who have who are from there, they will attest. मैंने दिखाया था, सिखाया था कि स्पेशली समटाइम्स डीआई वगैरह में भी बहुत काम में आता है एंड इस कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट में भी बहुत. सो इंटरपोलेशन की मल्टीपल ऑफ 100 या 1000 में लेके जाने के लिए. So I have shared a technique, a little lengthy, but again very useful in these situations. Okay. Now, successive like selling, sir. Successive selling question. Let's solve this. So 30 seconds. 30 seconds, sir. Jaldi. Very, very quickly. 30 seconds. Solve this and tell me the answer. Solve this, please, and tell me the answer. Everyone. Solve this, please, and tell me the answer. Tell me, sir. Answers, answers, answers. No answers. Sir, this is very simple. Two successive discounts. Equivalent discount is 20 plus 25 minus 25 into 20 by 100, sir. 25 fours, 4 fives. So this is 40%. Correct, sir? 25 minus 5 is 20, 20 and 20, 40. Now that means if 100 units is the MP, then SP will be how much, sir? 40% discount, meaning, sir, 40 units will be SP. So that means, sir, this 720 MP they are asking 720 represents the SP, sir. Acha, एक second. This is SP represents 60, na? 40 is the discount, sorry. So SP will get represented by 60. So this represents 60 and I need MP, that means 100. So direct kar do, sir. This is 12. So this is 1200, sir. That's your MP, which is option number 2. That is your correct answer. That is most definitely your correct answer, sir. Right? Now, with that being said, this is a quick revision of the most important chapters, most important types of questions. Now, again, before I go, let me just say one thing here. Please, 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 everyone who are going to give the exams this year CGL, like tomorrow or day after tomorrow and all the upcoming shifts, this is a quiz compilation. This is a compilation of total 25 questions. I will ask everyone, I'll urge everyone, okay? Please go through, solve all 25. Solve all 25 questions if possible. Please try and solve all these 25 questions, and for that reason I'll be uploading this in like 5 minutes, and you can download this particular PDF if like through our app. Through our app you can definitely download this PDF. You can definitely download this PDF within 5 minutes. Okay, I just need to export this and I'll upload it. Perfect, everyone. So that being said, that will then be all for today. I hope you've enjoyed this. If you have, please do hit that like, and if you have any queries, any questions, please feel free to use the comment section. Okay, and again, if you need any help of mine, feel free to reach out to me. I'll be more than happy to help you guys. So again, that being said, thank you so much. All the very best for the upcoming exams, and for those who have already given the exams, it is now you need to prepare, start preparing, start shifting your focus to the next exam, that is the tier 2. So again, we'll try to help you like in your journey as much as we can, and definitely we'll keep on meeting. So again, I'll come day after tomorrow, so with the same type of revision class on advanced maths. Till then, please take care and bye-bye from my end. Thank you so much. Take care.